Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most innovative Excel tools out there. Today I want to go over one of our latest and greatest tools, which is our zip code radius distance calculator. What the purpose of this tool is, and this is specifically a US-based tool, so this will only work for US-based zip codes. But what it will allow us to do is to find the zip code, a list of zip codes within a radius of a certain location. So let me show you how it works. Let's think for a moment that we have an office in this specific zip code, 91766, and I want to find all the zip codes that are within, let's say, within 60-mile radius of this specific zip code. In this case, I can choose to calculate the driving distance. In this case, let's kind of say, yes, I want to calculate the driving distance from this zip code to all the zip codes within that 60-mile radius. In addition to that, I want to limit it to, let's say, 110 results. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on Generate, and the tool really should do the rest. What it will do is it will find a list of the zip codes that are within that 60-mile radius from the zip code that we have. And it also looks like, as you can see here, it did limit us to about 110 zip codes. And with this specific zip code being the closest, so this zip code, it's about 2 miles in a straight line, and also if I was to drive, it would be about 3.51 miles between those two zip codes, and it'll also tell us the driving time in minutes, and then we'll kind of go from there. So from the closest to the furthest zip code in there, and that way, a good example of when we would need to use that, again, as I mentioned earlier, is if we were trying to service a certain list of zip codes, whether it is we provide service or maybe transportation or something of that matter within a certain radius from our original zip code, where our office is and whatnot. So what the tool will do is it will be able to find all those zip codes around our office in a jiffy with a click of a button, and it really should be as easy as that. To download the tool, just click on the description or on the link in the description of this video. And also, if you've got any questions or if you need some customization, feel free to reach out. My phone number, again, my name is Vinny. My phone number and my email will be right in the description of this video as well. You can also go and check my website, and feel free to reach out for anything I can help you with. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time.